Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to create this makeup look right here, and I know like my eyes look super dramatic, and this is exactly how I wanted my my eye makeup to look today. I really love how my eyelashes are complementing my eye makeup. If you guys wanna know how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Before that, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon right next to it, so that every time I upload a video you get notified. And with that, let's dive into the video. Hi guys, so I'm going to start with my eyes first. I just want to say that please guys ignore my voice in this video because I am a little sick, so my voice might sound a little weird. For my eyes, first I'm going to prime my eyelids using NYX eyeshadow base, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid as a base because we're going to do something really bright today. For my eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use my favorite Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette volume 2. This is such an amazing palette, and like I cannot stop using this palette. So I'm going to start with the shade Comfort Zone, and I'm going to apply this into my crease. I'm going with the shade Homebody to deepen up my crease. I like to work in layers, so that is what I'm doing. First I'm building up my crease, and then we will work on our lid area. To deepen up the outer corners of my eyes, I'm going in with the shade Crazy. Going back with the transition shade Comfort Zone, and I'm going to blend everything in and make sure that there's no harsh line. Now I'm going to take the same eyeshadow base and I'm going to cut the crease. Alright, so I did this half cut crease that I'm liking. I will go in with this sparkly shade Ride or Diamonds, and I'm going to apply that. I'm going in with the Crazy shade again and make sure that there is no harsh line. Going in with this glittery shade Drama Queen, and I'm going to apply this just in the centers of my eyes. Alright, so this is how my eye makeup is looking currently. I will work on my lower lash line later. First, let's quickly do our base makeup. So I've already moisturized my skin. For primer, I'm going in with Maybelline Master Prime. I'm going to apply this primer only where I have to blur my pores. That's mainly near my nose and a little bit onto my chin. For my foundation, I'm going to use NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and this is in the shade Buff. Using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend everything in. I don't know why, but I look so yellow on screen, but trust me, in real I don't look like this. I look so white. For my concealer, I'm going in with the L'Oreal More Than Concealer. I have concealed and highlighted the areas that I wanted to. Now blending in with my beauty blender as usual. To set my face, I'm going to use K Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder, and this is in the shade Banana. So my base is almost done. Now we are going to work on my lower lash line. I'm going to take the same shades that I used onto my eyelids. So I'm going to go in with the shade Crazy and apply that onto my lower lash line. I'm also going to connect my lower lash line shade with my this outer corner thing. Now I'm going in with the transition shade, that is Comfort Zone, and I'm going to blend this shade. I'm going in with this kohl, which is from PAC Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Skin. I'm going to apply this onto my waterline. I'm going to take the shade I'm in it, and I'm going to apply that onto my as a brow bone highlight and into the inner corners of my eyes. For mascara, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. Alright, so I'm going to let this mascara dry before I go in with a false lashes. So I'm quickly going to do my brows. So my brows are all done. I'm quickly going to contour my face using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. Finally, I don't look so pale like how I was looking before. For blush, I'm going to use the Milani Rose Powder Blush in the shade Wild Rose. This is such a beautiful shade. I love this blush so much. For highlighter, I'm going to be using Mary Luminizer from Balm Cosmetics. This was such a hyped up product back in the day, like I remember. I have fallen in love with this highlighter all over again. I'm going to set my face using the Makeup Revolution Glow Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray, and I'm going to spray this all over my face. For lashes, I'm going to wear PAC Mink lashes in M79. I'll be wearing this off camera. So guys, I have my lashes on and this is how my eyes look now. I really like how my eyes have turned out. I don't think I've ever done this dramatic look on my channel. So for my lipstick, I'm going in with NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. I honestly loved it. Like my eyes, I just loved how my eyes has turned out, and these lashes, I mean for today's eye look, these lashes go perfect, and I loved everything else. My base looks perfect. I hope you guys liked it too. If you guys did, then please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Bye.